Welcome back everybody, you're watching Hustle for Life, and today I'm sitting here next to the city lake of Tirana in Albania and thought that I'll give you another Ask the Hustler episode about the prices here in Albania. At the moment I'm staying on a hostel which costs about $6 a night with fairly decent breakfast. So if you eat a lot in the morning, you might even consume that much of what you pay in your toasts and yogurt and eggs and things like that. So it's pretty awesome price. I don't know how long I'm gonna stay there, but as I was looking at some apartments for rent, you're basically starting for your own little garçonnière about $150 or euros a month. So give it a take, 200, you're gonna be in the city center having a nice place just for yourself. Obviously, if you're gonna go through some of the agencies, you might have to pay 3 months in advance. So it's recommended to try to contact directly some of the Albanians. I guess if they're renting out their property, they're probably gonna speak English, or if you're at hostel, there might be some Albanian. Buy him a beer or coffee and he will do a call for you. So that's it. Accommodation is really affordable and not the cheapest I ever been, but you get what you pay for. Decent quality for reasonable price. So the next thing that kind of shocked me was the price of food, which is super cheap, or services in general. Like if you're not in the poshest bar or hipster restaurant in town, you're gonna pay it's not even dollars or euros, you have to measure it in cents. That's how cheap it is. Like you can literally have a slice of pizza somewhere and drink espresso somewhere else and pay $1 total. So here you go, you're sorted for another part of your day. So let's say when you stay on hostel paying €6 with breakfast, then you get slice of pizza or whatever with apple or orange, that's another dollar, and then you have $3 left for your dinner and après drink. So with $10 you can literally live here like decent lifestyle. Of course it depends on your standards and what you wanna do and how long you can sustain this sort of existence, but show me another capital city where you can live without cooking for $10 a day. That's amazing. So what's next? Internet. You can buy a local SIM card for about $10 or $15 and you get like 10 gigabytes of data, sometimes unlimited calls within Albania, if that's any use. And that's about it. I still haven't tried a local taxi because I've heard funky stories that they don't understand any language other than Albanian, maybe a little bit Russian if they're old, or German if they made it illegally to Germany and they worked there, and before they expelled them they learned some German. So those are the languages I kinda communicate in, so I might give it a try and let you know in the other video or in comments if you have any specific question, write it down in the comments and I will get in touch with you. There is not many comments going on and not many viewers, so you'll be first to go. I'll be quick. And yeah, that's about it. What else? I'll see what comes to my mind, what I discover in the next days, and make a second episode maybe, or a completely other one with from another city. So yeah, stay tuned and I'm out of here.